When a parent struggles with fear and anxiety. What do you do when you struggle with fear and anxiety and you have to maintain the family and kids? It can be tough, but there are ways to manage your fears and take care of your family at the same time. Here are some techniques a parent can use to manage his or her anxiety. The first thing you should do is to get professional help. You owe it to your family and kids to get better. Getting the help you need to battle fear and anxiety is very important, and will lead you to the road of recovery. Admitting that you have a problem and getting help is the first step in getting better. Remember that you are not alone. There are many people who deal with fear and anxiety, and they too live normal lives. There is no reason why you can't get through this. If other parents can manage their fears, so can you. You can do it. There is hope for you. When taking care of the family, do not try to manage everything all at once. Get your spouse or somebody else to help do some of the work. One person cannot do everything. Share your responsibilities with your spouse if you can. Also learn to communicate with your spouse about who does what on a certain day. Do not let your anxieties get the best of you. A technique that is very helpful is to have a list of positive statements that make you happy. Whenever you feel anxious and you're taking care of the kids, get your list and read those statements. The next time you become overwhelmed with fear and anxiety, remember that there is hope in overcoming your anxieties and depression. With some help, you will be able to find the answers to your fears. You just have to be patient and determined to get better.